Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's projects. First I want to make over my son's trash to treasure desk because I found that on the curbside. So this is how it's looking. It's a bit damaged but it will work for now. And we're going to use the celery chalk paint and the maize chalk paint for this. I'm going to paint the top. And I'm gonna clean using this degreaser that I had, and that's my paintbrush. It's a bit messy, yeah, I know, but it will work. And I'm gonna paint green the top and the bottom, and the tray I'm gonna paint it in the maize color. First we're gonna take our degreaser or any cleaner you have, because this was previously cleaned, and I'm gonna clean it really nicely like you see me doing here. I'm gonna clean it and continue cleaning it. Clean all the nooks, crannies, and crevices, and as you can see over there, it's a bit scratched. So I'm gonna continue cleaning it until everything is clean and nice. And I'm gonna clean the bottom as well. Like that. And as you can see, it has a couple of scratches, but it's just perfect for now. Now I'm gonna let it dry, and then what I'm gonna do, this is how it's looking after it's clean. And I'm gonna let it dry and start applying my celery chalk paint to the top and bottom. I just have a little bit of chalk paint here, and I'm gonna start painting it like that. And we're gonna paint it completely using that chalk paint. I gave it 3 coats of the celery and 3 coats of the maize. And now I'm painting the bottom like that. And after that, we are going to let that dry really nicely so we can come back and add the different coats. And now, this is the first coat. This is how it's looking. Just like that, and there you see the bottom, first coat. And now I'm gonna start with my maize, and this is the first coat of maize. That's why I told you that I had to give it 3 coats, because it was really light. And this is the second one, and this is how it's looking. This is part of the Sunday Funday hosted by 2 of my beautiful friends, Diane and Jenny from Deco Easy, and another one of my dear friends, Javon from GingerChickRehab. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to their channels and also to the playlist. Go and check them out, and also watch that playlist because you will find lots of inspiration. For the next project, we're gonna need a piece of wood. This is a scrap wood I had. And we're going to need a smaller piece of dowel cut in a 45-degree angle and a 22-degree angle. And we are going to use another piece of dowel, the same size of our scrap wood. I'm using a 6-inch wood, wood glue, white chalk paint, nails, that's just for weight, and that printout that we're going to transfer to our wood. First, we're going to take our wood and we're going to add or glue the 6-inch piece of dowel, that one, to the bottom. And for that, we add glue it there, and let it dry. And after that, we're going to come back and use our antique wax to stain our wood. And we're going to stain it completely. Now I'm going to let you watch me stain it because I love watching people paint, and if you like it like myself, go ahead and enjoy. After we stain it completely, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it dry really nicely. And I'm staining the back piece for my stand. And I'm leaving the 45-degree angle without painting. Now, we're gonna take that to the side, and I'm gonna add, like that, some lines with my pencil. And that didn't work really nicely as I expected, but I found out that you can find like a paper that transfers in white, so next time I'm gonna use that. Now I'm gonna try to transfer my image to my wood, like that, just tracing it all around it. And when we finish tracing, you're gonna see what happened. It didn't go as I expected at all. But I made it work. Yeah, you're gonna see that. We trace it completely. If you have the white paper, it will be a lot easier because you will be able to see what I'm not seeing here. And what is it? The lines. We are missing the lines. Yeah, now I have to make it work. And I'm using my chalk paint and just trying to find the lines on my wood to start painting my animals. And that was really hard. That's why I'm telling you, use chalk or maybe the white paper that you can find. I think it was on Amazon that I heard someone say. Use that or chalk because this was hard. But I painted my animals completely just like that. And after I finish with them, we will have a beautiful piece. Look at that. Now I have my cow and I'm finishing my oink, oink, pig. I had to make the sound just to remember the name. Yeah, that happens sometimes. And after I finish with my pig, I'm gonna start making my chicken. Yeah, that one I remembered. And we paint our chicken in the top, like that. And that one I'm just freehanding it because there's no lines over there at all. So I'm gonna freehand my chicken and you're gonna see me struggle. But at the end, I love how that chicken turned out. And when we finish, that will be it. We will have a beautiful stack animals piece. We will add the back part or the stand, and we will have a notepad holder. Let me just glue that, and that's it. If you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and a couple of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And this is how my kiddos back to school / homeschooling space looks. This is how the desk looks. I just love how it turned out. And over here, let me show you the paint job. I added a little bit of antique wax. You know I love that. And over here, we have the note holder pad, something like that, just to put our notes and a pen so we can watch what he's writing. And this is how it's looking. Remember that in the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge collaboration. And remember that if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.